Aircraft we have landed at Boracay Airport. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Nico Francisco, First Officer Raymond Chua, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. Please follow the instructions of the staff and walk in a group along the walkway to the terminal building. Uses
tapos
of
ka na ba
mobile
nito?
phones, smoking and taking pictures in the tarmac area is strictly prohibited by the airport.